Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these beautiful crochet motifs. It's very easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. And at the end of each tutorial, I leave a playlist with all my English videos. To make these motifs, I'm going to use this leftover yarn from Loops and Thread, Wool Like Simile Line. Super fine one. It used to be 100 grams. I only have this left over. The color is rose and it is 85% acrylic, 15% nylon. And the crochet hook is a 3mm. You're gonna need tapestry needle and scissors to do this beautiful design. So we're gonna start with round 1. First you have to chain 9 to create a ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You go to the first one and do a slip stitch, and you have the ring. Now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to do 24 single crochet inside this ring. Once you have the 24 single crochet, you'll finish with a slip stitch and the first single crochet. For the second round, you're going to chain 1, and in the same space, you're going to do a single crochet, chain 2, and that cancels the first double crochet of 12. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, you're going to skip 1 single crochet and go to the next one and do a double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, skip 1 single crochet and go to the next one and do a double crochet. And like that, you're going to continue until you have 12 of these double crochet. Once you finish with the slip stitch on the second chain, remember you start with a single crochet and chain 2, and then number 2 you slip stitch. You're going to slip stitch again until you get to the center of these 3 chains. You're going to slip 2 stitches. Now you're in the center, you're going to chain 1. You're going to do a single crochet in the same space. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in the center of the chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3, single crochet in the center. 1, 2, and 3, single crochet in the center. Like that, you're going to continue all the way around, and you're going to finish with the slip stitch in the first single crochet. Once you finish, you're going to slip stitch to the first chain space of those 3. You're going to chain 3, and that counts as the first double crochet of 48. So you're going to do a double crochet in the next chain space, another double crochet in the next chain space, and one more in the single crochet. So that is my 4. Like that, you're going to continue all the way around, and you're going to finish with 48 double crochet. You slip stitch in the third chain, and you're done round 4. I have my 48 stitches. Now you're going to chain 1 in the same space. You're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 1, and now we're going to do a double crochet that we don't going to finish. So yarn over, a double crochet that you don't going to finish, yarn over, you're going to do a third one. You're going to close those 3 loops. You're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over. You're going to go to the next double crochet. You're going to make that double crochet that you don't going to finish. The same in the next one, and the same in the third one. You're going to slip those 4 loops, and you're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over. Go to the next double crochet that you don't going to finish. Go to the next one, do the same, and go to the third one. You have 4 loops, and you're going to slip those 4 loops, and you're going to chain 7. And like that is how you're going to do this round. Now we're going to work in the next round, and this one is round 7, so we have one more to go. You're going to chain 1, and the for chain space you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 2, and that counts as the first double crochet. You're going to chain 2 for separation, yarn over, you're going to skip the next chain space and go to the next one and do a double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 chain space and go to the next one. A double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 and go to the last one and do a double crochet. You're going to chain 2. Now you go to the next chain 7 space, and you're going to skip 1, 2, and you go in the third one and do a single crochet, and the fourth one, another one, and the fifth, another one. So 3 single crochet, and here you're gonna chain 2, yarn over, you're gonna skip, you don't gonna skip, yeah, you're gonna skip this one, but you go to the next chain 7 space, and the first one you're gonna do a double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 chain and go to the next one, double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over, skip 1 chain space, double crochet, 1, 2, skip 1 chain space, go to the last one, double crochet, chain 2, you're going to skip 1 and 2 and you go to the third chain, single crochet, another one in the fourth, and another one in the fifth chain. gonna chain 2, yarn over, and go to the first chain space and do a double crochet, and like that you're gonna work this round. And one, you will have this double crochet with the chain 2 space, and the other one 3 single crochet in the center. I will show you one more time. I already have my first double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, skip one chain space, go to the next one, double crochet, chain 2, skip one chain, go to the next one, double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, skip one chain, and go to the last chain space and do a double crochet, chain 2, go to the next chain 7 space, skip the first chain and the second one, go to the third one, 1, and the third one, 1, and the fourth one, and 1 single crochet and the fifth chain, chain 2, yarn over, and then again go to the first chain space and do a double crochet, and like that you're going to do this round. You're going to finish here with 3 single crochet, chain 2, and a slip stitch on the second chain in here. Now we're going to work on the last round. You're going to slip stitch to the chain 2 space, chain 1 single crochet in that space. Now you're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochet in the chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochet in the chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochet in the chain 2 space. Now you go to the next chain 2 space and do a single crochet. We're going to skip those 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and 4 single crochet, chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, single crochet in the chain 2 space, go to the next chain 2 space, single crochet again, and then you continue with the chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and single crochet in the chain 2 space, and like that you're going to do this last round. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love these motifs. They're very easy, very fast, and very versatile, and you can use these for a bedspread, for a cardigan, or a bikini cover up, or a scarf, or a shawl, you know, anywhere that you can use a circular motif, you can use this one because it's absolutely gorgeous. And I hope you guys like it, and give it a try and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make this beautiful design and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups, and don't forget the thumbs up and a comment. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.